Alright, we have just arrived to the park. All our luggage is here. Let's see how the park is. I've never been here before. It's our first time. So I guess this is why it's called the Park MGM. There's a big park here. We just got our rooms. And now we're going all the way up. Looks pretty nice in here, guys. Alright, fellas. We here. Got our bags. Now we're just gonna head to the room. Oh shoot, so there is another park here. You see that? I guess that's why I call it the park.
Is that here?
We have to find the park no matter what it takes. Whoo! It's nice and green. Alright guys, so we're here. Not too shabby. It's the restroom. Nice, minimalistic. Green tint everywhere. There's nice art on the walls. I actually like the art here. There's a lot of art throughout the whole hotel while you're walking around. I guess this is the park theme, guys. New hotel, actually remodeled. Used to be Monte Carlo. So yeah, not bad view at all. Got that pool down there. Maybe we'll visit that tomorrow. Oh, so if you guys can see in the distance, there is the Bellagio show, fountain show. You can see it. So we're gonna give you guys a little tour on the park and tour the facilities. But yeah guys, one of the main attractions here at the park is the Eataly that just opened up here. We went there the first night, so we're gonna show you guys some footage. But if you guys want to see more of the Eataly, we actually made a full video which we'll post the link in the description. MGM, the park. This is Eataly right here. We're walking towards Eataly. This is the outside view. So day 2 at the Park MGM. We're gonna explore some more and we're gonna hit the gym right now. So let's check out the facilities. Fitness center is here. Fitness center is here, guys. Let's get it. Nomad pool. Let's check out how the pool looks, guys. It's got a salon here if you guys want a fresh cut. From my ladies right out here, trying to get their hair did, nails did. I'm mesmerized by these. By this. Alright guys, we're at the pool. See how it is at the park. This is the south pool. So Alex's fluorescent ass green lime shorts are blinding me more than the Nevada sun. The north pool right here. This one's a little bigger. This is the east pool. It's actually kind of crowded. Alright guys, so we are checking out of our room at the Park MGM. I hope you guys enjoyed our little mini tour of the reopening of the Park MGM and the Eataly there. The appeal to this place, the Park MGM, is that it has chill vibes, it's not too loud. In the casino, it's 100% smoke-free. First 100% smoke-free casino in Las Vegas. Maybe that's why they call it the Park, because it's very fresh and it has fresh air. Also, another appeal to the Park MGM is that it has Eataly, which I love. It's just the huge Italian food hall that you can just go downstairs and get casual food, drinks whenever you want. Not all of the stalls were open when we went, but when the whole Eataly opens up, I'm sure that it's going to bring, you know, a lot of tourists. And also it's in a central location. It's right next to the Cosmo. A lot of areas you can walk to at the park. You guys, if you like this video, like it, comment down below where we should go next, and subscribe for more Vegas vlogs. Deuces.